Welcome to the future of extreme luxury on wheels. Today, we're revealing a machine that completely shatters the limits of what an RV can be. The 2026 Kenworth Titan Monster Motorhome, the most insane luxury motorhome ever built. This is not your average recreational vehicle. Built on the legendary Kenworth Titan heavy-duty truck platform, this monster combines raw industrial power with first-class five-star living. From the outside, it looks like a road-dominating beast. From the inside, it feels like a private luxury penthouse moving at highway speed. Under the hood, the Kenworth Titan delivers massive diesel power designed for extreme hauling and long-distance reliability. But step inside, and the atmosphere changes instantly. Premium leather seating, real wood and metal finishes, ambient LED lighting, and a sleek, modern layout create an environment that screams exclusivity and dominance. The living area is spacious and refined, featuring plush sofas, a large smart TV, surround sound audio, and a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed, custom storage, and a spa-style bathroom designed for ultimate comfort on the road. Technology takes this motorhome to another level. Advanced digital control systems, solar energy support, smart climate control, and a reinforced suspension system make this massive RV feel smooth, stable, and surprisingly effortless to drive. Whether you're crossing deserts, mountains, or endless highways, this monster is built to conquer everything. In simple terms, the 2026 Kenworth Titan Monster Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a symbol of power, freedom, and extreme luxury. For those who refuse to travel ordinary and demand absolute dominance on the road, this is the ultimate dream machine.